Alright guys, we're live. I think I think we are. Not too sure. This is the first time I go live on YouTube. Um so if we are here, we're looking at NQ. It's 9:38. I'm a little late for my analysis, so let's just get started. So I like to start always with a clean chart. I like to start with a clean chart, and I always go back to the monthly, hide all my indicators. Let's position this a bit inside. Okay. There we go. Alright. What is this? Oh, this is my team. Alright, so still looking bullish, monthly still looking bullish, nothing has changed. Currently, this is a monthly channel, that's what it looks like to me, since it's just a doji. It's looking like a doji in a high time frame. It's usually a consolidation. Just do this so that I know this is for the monthly. Should put here a save as. Seven. Monthly. There we go. So after I see that the monthly is bullish, I go back down to the weekly, and I also see here that in the weekly, as I said before, it is also consolidating. So we took previous week highs and now we came back to the channel. Maybe today we take previous week low, but that's very unlikely since we're trading so high up already. My weekly channel. Yesterday we got very close to taking the low of previous week. Very close. I'm not sure if you can see me in the camera though. It looks like it froze. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not sure why it froze. I'm really not too sure what's going on with this camera. Yeah, not too sure. Let me check how it looks on YouTube. Yeah, actually it looks frozen on YouTube. The quality. Can I add a new camera? Okay, how can I get rid of this one? Alright, okay. Not too sure what happened with the other one. Not too sure why it froze, but here we are again, looking at the NQ in the weekly chart. So as I was saying, we swept previous week highs. We got very close to sweeping previous week low, but instead we found support. So bulls hold it here, and now we're trading above. And it's very unlikely for us today to drop 200 points to sweep now this low. I don't think that's gonna happen at all. So I think we should get into long somewhere around here. Somewhere around here is where I want to be buying. We look how the daily looks like. Yeah, so all that area was support. It looks like we're gonna keep consolidating here around this range for the rest of the week, actually. So we swept previous week high yesterday, and now we're rebalancing to the middle of the weekly range. Found support here in the middle, and we moved up 75 points. The question is this support here in the weekly range strong enough for us to hold price above the weekly middle range? I'm not too sure, because usually here in the middle there's a bunch of people buying and selling. That's the fair price, you know, of the whole range. So there's a bunch of stuff going on here. Not a lot of buyers are buying here in the middle of the range. I can tell you that for a fact. Usually the shorts that got in here are taking profits, so that's usually why price goes up a little bit and then keeps dumping down. And sometimes, especially in a big range like this, such as the weekly range, there are some buyers that do end up buying, but that's usually not the case. That's not a long that I will take in the middle of the range. Unless it is an A setup. I'll take an A setup in any trade location that I can possibly. If I find an A setup, I'm gonna take that setup every single time. Doesn't matter if it's during Asia session, London session, I don't really care. I mean, I don't really trade those time frames. But if it's an A setup, I'll take an A setup anytime, because it's usually high probability. You have a high probability that you're gonna win that trade. So for today, I'm looking for buys. So far, price action looking pretty ass. Let me look at the 1 hour. Yeah, look at this. This is just trash boil. Was this at the open? No, this is at A. 8. We move up. Market opens, boom, back straight down. We swept both the highs and the lows from this 1 hour candle. So I want to see what happens here, because honestly this is not a bad area to be buying. Look at the boom. Yeah, this is not a bad area to be buying, to be honest. This is all support. All this is support. plus the added confluence that we just swept the 1 hourly candle low, and this probably VWAP here. It's probably a VWAP. I bet that if we go to a lower time frame, it hits the VWAP to the T. But before that, you see the 50-minute hits it to the T. So we're consolidating here at the bottom of the range. Usually if we're going to move up, you don't really want to see consolidation at the bottom, right? If we're really gonna move up, why are we consolidating here? If we're just gonna move up, why don't we just, you know, go straight up? Same thing with like how you see here, right? If we're gonna be having, you know, price consolidating inside this channel, why the hell are we just gonna, you know, consolidate on the upper extremity? We just move down like we see right here. And again, my camera just froze for some reason. I'm not too sure why. So consolidation, usually if we're consolidating above a resistance level, this is bullish, right? Because if we're just gonna break that resistance, why are we consolidating, right? We should just break it to the upside, or if that resistance is gonna hold, just gonna like crash down. Same thing here. Consolidation above support is bearish, because if we're just gonna hold that support, we should just continue moving higher, but instead we're consolidating, so therefore we're moving lower. Yeah, not too sure what's going on with my camera. Not too sure how to fix it either, so I think you guys are gonna have to deal with this shit. Let's see. Yeah, it froze. It's freezing. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, not too sure how to fix this, guys. We try to add another camera. Okay, froze again. Okay, so I don't think we're gonna have the camera for today until I figure out how to fix it. Okay, so I'm just gonna hide it for now. Sorry guys, gonna have to figure out what's going on with that camera. It's okay. Looking at NQ again, so this looks like a channel. It looks like we were in this channel before. We were in this channel before, and then we had a failed option to the bottom side and then to the upside as well. And now we're just, you know, we price still want to keep trading inside this channel, so this is also a good area to buy. Yeah, this is a pretty good area to buy. We might have missed the long already, to be honest. Yeah, we missed the long there. Just trying to fix my freaking camera, man. Sheesh. Swing low, okay. Let's see how this looks according to order flow. Oh yeah, okay, we might come and sweep these lows again, actually. Let me see in terms of CBD how this thing looks. There are bullish divergences in the 1 minute, bullish divergences in the 5 minutes, and bullish divergences in the 15 minute as well. So longs are looking pretty good. Pretty good. Not going to lie. We put an alert here in case we end up coming back lower again and sweeping down this low, which is where I'm interested. I might get in micros if we break above this area right here, because this area has turned into resistance. So I'm expecting a breakout, boom, and then a retest. There's our breakout with high volume, decent momentum. Immediately got rejected by the bears. Immediately, with again high volume, high momentum. So this thing looks like it's gonna come down. So this is a channel right here. We had a failed option to the top side, so it's looking like we're gonna have a failed option to the bottom side as well. Okay, let me see if I get in here. I need to see buyers coming in. Option to the top side, option to the bottom side. Need to see buyers here if I want to enter. No buyers just yet. Still have to balance the same balance that I had yesterday. If you haven't watched the video, just go and watch it. Made $1,000, so that was 60 points, 60-point trade. This is looking good. I need to see imbalances if I want to enter this trade. Not enough volume. Okay, that's good. I enter. Fuck, I don't like this because my stop is way too wide. That's 12 point. It's a good trade though, regardless. So, yeah, it's a good trade, but it's a wide stop loss nonetheless. I'm gonna be actively looking for spots to move my stop loss higher, because I don't want to have such a wide stop loss, to be honest. So we had our failed option here. So failed option to the top side, failed option to the bottom side. Bunch of bears coming in here, they're getting absorbed. Looking like a double top. If we break above this high, I'm moving my stop loss here to this low. It's looking good so far. Looking pretty good so far. It's holding. It's holding. I need to see this thing ripping up. So far so good. So far so good. They're fighting this. Bears and bulls are fighting here. Okay, it's looking like bears are winning. It's looking like bears are winning this battle. Boom. They won the battle, guys. They freaking won the battle. Okay, let's see what happened here. We're down 300 bucks. Hell yeah. Okay, let's see. It was a good trade. It was definitely a good trade. It's unfortunate that this candle was such a high momentum, so I was immediately forced to get on this trade with a 14 point stop loss, some shit like that. Very unfortunate. It just didn't play out. That was pretty good. This I'll consider a. This is a B setup trade. She's still good. I'll take it. I'll take it anytime. Had a fell option to the top side. Was looking at this as a fell option to the bottom side of this range. We were at the bottom of the range, so yeah. Nonetheless, this was a good trade. Just didn't play out. Unfortunate. We had this low grind to the bottom side, which is bullish in my opinion. Since if we're gonna crash down, why haven't we crashed down yet? Why are we consolidating back down to the downside, right? It's unfortunate that bulls didn't come in here to defend price as much as I wanted to. I was expecting some sort of reaction here in this imbalances, right? Expecting all of these imbalances to hold. We were holding, we tapped here, boom. Then we tapped again, boom. But there were not enough bulls to move price back higher. Imagine we start going up again, like here, after they stop us. Very probable, and it's looking like it's gonna do just that, actually. Do we get here with minis? Should we get here with minis? Fuck it. I'll put my stop loss that low. Come on, let's get ripping up. I want to see this continued momentum to the upside. We're one time framing to the upside. Also almost forming this sort of channel. Stop loss 20 points. So slow. So slow. Okay, so this low, hold it. Should we add to this? Should we add to this position? Shall we? It's looking like a head and shoulders pattern. It's the shoulder, the head, the other shoulder, boom, break down this level. Looking for a fail option below here. So price going back down, boom, finding support, keep going higher. One disimbalance to hold though. Okay, now we're pushing up. Very tricky price action. Very, very tricky. This is also looking like an inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. But it's not doing much. We try to push back higher and then it got rejected. Let's see if I can add it here. This was the other level that I was looking to add. Okay. Okay, I added. I added, and I'm also going to move my stop loss higher. How many contracts I'm in? I mean 8 contracts. 8 micros. I'll put my stop loss below this low. Unfortunate. Very freaking unfortunate. Down 500 bucks. Very, very unfortunate, guys. Lawns are not playing today. So is this a short market? Is this a short market? Because lawns are not playing out today whatsoever. See, look at all of this week's price trying to push higher. Boom, failed. Price trying to push higher, fail. You can see that also in the 5-minute here. Look at all of this. Oh my, oh my, oh my. It's getting rejected every single time. So I've been taking good trades. The setups are there. The trades are reasonable. But market, it's just not playing out for today. Maybe it's one of those days that you take the trades and it just the market's not just doesn't play out the way you want it to. It just doesn't play out the way you want it to. See, every time buyers try to come in, look how many freaking buys were here. 1,000 buys immediately got rejected by all the bears. See that? 1,000 freaking buyers here. 200 contracts, 250 contracts immediately gets rejected. Could be a buy opportunity. I'm not going to lie. This could be a pretty sneaky buy opportunity. I'm gonna buy. Put a stop loss here. Let's see if this one plays out. Goddamn. I'm taking losses after losses. see price, try to push back higher, gets rejected. Holy shit. So annoying, man. So annoying. If I lose this trade, I might call it for the day. Would love to keep trading for you guys, but I'm not gonna keep taking losses after losses. Where should we take this trade to? Where should we take this trade to, guys? This is not a bad area to take profits. So far though, that's 70 points away. Not too sure if we're gonna get that high up there today. At the very least, I want to be taking profits around here, somewhere around here. At the very least, this is all resistance. It's just hanging around the point of control. Hasn't rejected yet, so this is bullish. Remember what I said before, consolidation under resistance is bullish. There we go. Nice little pump. I want to see what happens once we get to this price. Are we just gonna push higher? Are all these bears gonna close their price, their trades? Really want to see what happens here though. Oh my fucking god, look how many fucking contras are here. 372. Holy shit. No, I'm holding this fucking shit. See what I mean? I'm holding this shit. Oh my god, look at all of this fucking buys, guys. What the fuck is going on? Holy shit. Oh, we're back in business. We're fucking back in business. Oh, bears are coming in, hell no. Yeah, we're back in business, guys. I'm gonna move my stop loss higher. Should I move it here? Should I just take profits now? That is the question. Okay, close me out. Back in business. I'll take it. Pretty good trade. To me, it just seems like we lost one trade for today. Not bad. Let's see if we can get into. Let's see if we can enter again, because I do believe this trend is gonna continue moving higher. There's so many buys going on. Should have probably kept my stop loss where it was, because I do believe we're gonna keep going higher. Let me close down this order. So the trade is this one. That was, you see how many points is that? Oh shit. Where did I close? I close right here. That was 33 points. Not too bad. 5 minutes. I mean 5 micros. I wish there were minis. I fucking wish there were minis. Holy shit. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Back to minis. Yeah, I should have kept my stop loss where it was. But fuck it though, right? Fuck it, fuck it. I'm happy with the trade. We went from a 500 drawdown to 171. Okay, now this looks like this was resistance turned into support. Either ways, that was the middle of the channel. We took profits around here, so not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. We'll love to re-enter this trade. I might keep trading micros for the rest of the day since today there's a bit of volatility going on. Want to see what happens right here. Okay. Let me move to micros. Is this gonna be a fail option here to the downside? Oh, we actually took profits at a pretty good spot, guys. At a pretty good spot. I'm actually happy that we closed down our trade here, to be honest, because then we failed. We only went from where we took profits in this candle. Only went 10 points higher. Not too bad, not too bad. That's a pretty good spot to take profits, if you ask me. So now we're forming this double top. Cool. Now we're crashing down. There's still a long opportunity here, in my opinion. Let's see how bonds look like here in the consolidation. Okay. Oh my god. See, bulls comes here. Any bulls? Any bulls want to buy? Hello? Any bids? Any ass? Any bids? Any bass? Nope, nothing. Nothing. We actually took profits at a pretty good spot, to be honest. Because after looking at this whole down move, I wouldn't want to keep holding my trade. It's just not logical to hold your trade when you're looking at all this, especially if you look at the 5 minute. As you can see here, the 5 minute just looks so ass. This looks like a, what you call it, 3-bar reversal. Oh yeah. Every time price try to, like I said before, every time price try to keep moving up, it gets rejected. Boom, rejected every single time. And we also have some pretty strong bearish divergences. Look at all the effort buyers are putting in here. So you can see here in the price, it's not following the effort. Not following at all. So yeah, I'm bearish for the day. I have to say that after looking at this updated data, I'm bearish for the day. Let me look at the 1 minute. Yeah, 5 minute bearish. 15 just looks normal. Still having our bullish CBD divergences. 5 minute, we also had our bullish divergences. Now bearish. Yeah, I might just give this market time to develop. I'm gonna take a 1 minute break and then I come back. Air break.
seen the world, done it all, had my cake now. Diamonds, brilliant, and Bel Air now. Hot summer night, mid-July, when you and I were forever wild. The crazy days, city lights, the way you'd play with me like a child. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will. Will you still love me when I'm no longer beautiful? I've seen the world, lit it up as my stage now. Angels in the new age now. Hot summer days, rock and roll, the way you play for me at your show, and all the ways I got to know your pretty face and electric soul. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will. Will you still love me when I'm no longer beautiful? Dear Lord, when I get to heaven, please let me bring my man.
Alright, I'm back. Let's see what happened. Okay, we found support at the value area low. Currently attempting to break above these highs again.
Makes me wanna party. He's my sun, he makes me shine like diamonds. Will you still love me when I'm no longer
You see, every time we try to push up, gets rejected. Try to push up, rejected, rejected. Might just wait for 10:30 for initial balance to be established if I want to take another trade, because this is just looking pretty bad. I've seen this multiple times. I've seen this 5-minute price action multiple times. Usually what happens is we actually make another high and then like we reject hard. Sometime later during the day we reject hard. Very hard. So we might make a move up. Yep. We might make a move up again. Then reject hard. This was a nice push.
She thought I was lazy. When I hear the shit, be screaming my name. She wanted on a date. She called me on the phone. Said she wanna know if I come back again. If I come back again, I give her like.
Okay.
I'm a Yankee bitch.
Is there resistance right here? Bunch of bulls trapped. So if shorts start, shorts decide to come in here. Shorts decide to come in here. All of these bulls are fucked. All of them are fucked. There's so many bulls that we even form a bunch of imbalances. So yeah. Good luck, bulls. No shorts came in. Literally 0 shorts, as you can see here. Hence why we make a new high. This was our re-entry that I was looking for before. I wanted to re-enter this trade. Honestly, this would have been a difficult entry. Come back to support. Yeah, I'm not sure if I would have entered here. I according to my strategy, I don't have an entry model for this type of price action. See? Maybe. So we had a. This was a channel. So we fell in this channel. What does this error puzzle look like? Yeah, this could have been an entry here. I just don't see any imbalances though until here. So unfortunately for this trade, if I would have taken it, it would have had to be here, and I would have had a 18-point stop loss. So I would have had taken this trade regardless. I wouldn't have taken that trade. So I did say before that usually when the 5 minute looks like this, we make a few couple highs and then we reject. So am I bearish? That is the question that I'm asking myself. Am I bearish for today? Got so close to the weekly middle of the channel. Only 3 points away. So basically we did end up touching it. If it's only 3 points and it's a weekly range, I'll take it as if we hit the middle of the range and then we moved up. Doesn't have to be perfect. I had this support level from a long time ago. Somehow it held it today. That's from last Friday? What is this? Yeah, from last Friday. And he hold it today. Perfect. Look at that. Holy shit. Okay, 1 minute bid was still up here. What is all of this? Kentucky and Trading View? What the fuck? I didn't know. I just realized that. Oh hell yeah. Didn't know I had a nice little sneaky shat in the background. Alright. Nothing much going on. Let me see the 5-minute beat where it's at. So yeah, all this area is going to be pretty tricky. All this was a new songs before. Let's see here a bit of a clusterfuck. Nothing much going on right now. Nothing much going on. Just enjoying my tea here. I wonder if there's a way that I can see how many people are watching the stream. I mean, I doubt anybody's watching it. But I wonder if there's a way I can like see it live, and if you know the chats, eventually there's gonna be people chatting and stuff. So hopefully. Never lose hope. We never lose hope out here, guys. Never lose hope. Have a lot of faith. Lot of faith. Okay, now it's pushing up nicely. It's also news, crude oil. Let me see what the hell the news are for today. What's all this? Oh. So Wednesday right here. So the only significant news was at 8:30. So right here. This was PPI. It was a nice little candle out here, huh? Nice little sneaky candle. 60-point candle. Yeah. So that's where we looking for our resistance at the bottom of this news candle. That's nice. So this resistance didn't hold. What do? Delete that shit. I'm expecting like a double top here. We're gonna crash down. I'm expecting like a little double top. We also have initial balance already established, so I wanna make sure I have that in my chart. So this resistance level, it's in confluence with the middle of initial balance range. Do I want to take a short here? Hell the fuck no. I'm not liking this at all. Most likely we're gonna push up again. Oh. So you can see here, bears are in control for today, especially around this whole price action. Bears are in control. Bulls having picked up the pace. Oh my god, sorry, bless me, holy shit. Sorry if I broke your eardrums. Fuck. So yeah, like I was saying, Bulls haven't picked up the pace here as much as the Bears. I doubt that this price action, this Bulls are gonna be enough for us to reverse the whole market environment and make it bullish. Highly doubt it though. Highly doubt it. I also doubt the fact that we're gonna come up to the initial balance high. It just seems to be unlikely because this was all this was persistence before, right? As you can see here, all this was resistance. Price will come up here, crash. Crash right here, crash right here, crash right here, right? So we built up a bunch of liquidity here and then we grabbed it right here. Boom. Grab all of that liquidity. Immediately at 9:30 as soon as the market opened, bunch of bears came in and price dropped. So I doubt that we're gonna come back again high to take this high right here. So we're looking at a potential retest here. A potential retest to getting short. Where do we getting short here? That is the question. So the golden package is sitting around here, which is good. So see that we reject here like we're doing now with all of this bearish momentum going on. So we reject here or we make a new high. And I'm very interested in getting to a short in that new high, especially here in the golden packet. Let's see where BWeb is at. 5 minute. Okay, so we hit 5 minute BWeb to the T. Then rejected. It's either we're gonna reject here or we're gonna make a new high and then reject. It's looking like we're gonna reject here actually. Let's be fair. If not, make a new high. This is where I want to take the short. Take it all the way to the 5. That's it. That's my other trade idea. If I want to get in short here, my stop loss will be way too far. Way too far, so it's not even worth taking it at that point. Look at all the bulls that try to come here. Oh my god. Bunch of buyers try to buy this market back up. 500 contracts being open. Candle close bearish. No bueno for the bulls. Bulls, you're in trouble. Big trouble. It's looking like a 3-bar reversal right here in the 5 minute. I want to see we have some sort of retracement for me to get into this little trade. Somewhere around here. Minutes for this 5 minute candle to be closed. Bulls, very slow momentum. So we're getting to a little sneaky trade right here, guys. Shall we? I want to see bears pushing down. I want to see bears coming in, pushing price back out. Oh, is that it? Nope, that's definitely not it. Yeah, definitely not it. Unless we crash here. And it's looking like we're gonna crash. Let me just enter. Let me just enter now. Stop loss above this high. Only 3 micros, guys. Only 3 micros. We might add, might continue adding to this trade. Liking this. Let me add like 3 more. Then do sits here. And stop us right here. Wanna see what happens once we get down to this low. It's looking like a double bottom. Boom, boom. Maybe we lose this trade. Maybe. Not enough bulls here. Yeah, not enough bulls. Oh, we didn't also take that high. It's a nice little rejection. Should have closed the trade as soon as I saw that. We're gonna lose this trade. Look at all these bulls. Okay, nice. Beautiful. Okay, good. Good.
But you were never my girl. It was just my turn. But you were never my girl. It was just my turn. Is the truth why I lie? If I dropped her name right now, she'd be too high. I bet you wanna come to Miami or come wherever I am.
Not close here. Back in business. Didn't like all of this. I didn't like all of this. So now we're in a channel. Now we're in a little channel. Just looks like this. Boom, boom. We took the high. Now we took the low. Come back inside the channel. That's why I closed down here. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Only down $50 for the day. We're taking a bunch of trades. We took longs, we took shorts, we made some money, we lose some money. Lost $500 with minis, then gained it all back with micros. I'll consider this a break-even day. Not sure if I want to take another trade. If the trade's there, I'll take it. Might just give this time to mature a little bit. 10:42. I'm gonna wait a little longer, see if any trades pop up. See, I took profits at the perfect spot. We come back inside the channel. We test the middle of the range. If we're gonna drop, it's gonna be now here at the middle. I've seen this pattern multiple times now. If we're bearish for the day, we should make a new high. If we break this high, in my opinion, it's fair to say that the market environment has switched to bullish. when we were coming up here, I said I should have closed my trade here because I was expecting some sort of movement back up here. That's why I moved my stop loss to the top of this candle imbalance. And as you can see, the imbalances hold it. We swing failure the top of the channel and then we crash back down. Yeah, if we break this high, I'm expecting us to move higher. We're finding a bunch of resistance here at the 1 minute VWAP as well. And we're also forming bearish resistance in the 1 minute. Let me see if the 5 minutes still. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh my god, yeah, we're so bearish. Look at this. Look at all of this bears here. All the buyers putting a bunch of effort buying this market, and price has made a new high. This is bearish, super bearish. But this is the MNQ. Let me look at the NQ. Yeah, 5 minute bearish, 50 minute normal, 1 minute also bearish. Yep. So yeah, I'm expecting now us to come to the high of this channel, since we already broke this high with decent volume actually. Struggling to push high, but this lows are holding. Slow hold it, this low hold it, this low hold it. So yeah, he will come higher, guys. Just give it time, it will come higher. This was such a good long now that I see this. Such a good long. I didn't take it. I was taking the longs here. Holy cow. Let me delete this. But that was such a good long. Oh my. Oh yeah, that's the long I took. Yeah, that is the long I took. Problem is I didn't see that it was such a good long. I went in with micros. Went in with 5 micros, got into this long, then took profits here for 33 points. Yeah, it was there. That was the long that I took. Well, that was such a good long actually. I just realized how good it was. Okay, so we did end up making the new high. Where is it? Boom. Like I said, we break down this high. We which is the middle of the range. I'm expecting us to go higher. I saw that these lows were holding. Boop. Yep. Move high. Beautiful. Okay. We're gonna come. This is where I'm interested in shorting. Right here. Very interested in shorting. So you can see this is also a low volume node. So we're in a range right here, essentially. We're in a little sneaky range. Sneaky range. I like this short. I'm gonna take it with micros as well. Because I'm seeing the fact that shorts are losing momentum. And bulls are also losing momentum. Both sides are losing momentum. It's just the fact that shorts are removed. There's nobody shorting here. Maybe they're waiting for price to move higher to short. But bulls are definitely losing momentum from what I can see. Now they're getting absorbed here at this highs. It's okay because I'm not interested in shorting here. Interested in shorting right here. These are just early shorts. Early shorts. Yeah, they're all about to get fucked. Wow. Okay, let's see. I'm not gonna get into short just yet. No, not convinced. I'm not convinced. No at all. Yes, high momentum, but there's barely any shorts. That's only 18 contracts being open. So bulls are getting removed. That's why price break came back down. All the longs got removed. And it made it easy for the shorts to move price back that lower. Expecting us to break this high again. I want to come here. Want to move. I want this price to come above and then see if I can get into a short around this area. There's a clusterfuck going on. I like none of this. Just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient. Wait for it. Look at all of this freaking bulls getting up. Oh my fucking guy missed it. Holy shit, I fucking missed it, bro. Oh my god, I should have had limit orders. I should have had limit orders. What the fuck just happened here? Holy shit. It matters of seconds. Bow! 60 points. Fuck, I missed that shit. I was looking at all of this bears, all of this bulls getting outsourced. Look at how many bulls are buying here. That's 100 contracts. That's 150 contracts. That's another 150. Another 150. Barely any movement. Momentum, very, very low. Take the high again. Immediately. Holy fucking shit. Literally. There was somebody looking to short this fucking market. Like, they were looking at the same short just as me. Some fucking big ass institution with a bunch of fucking money, because that's 2.5k contracts open right here in this 5-second candle. Well, missed the trade. We missed that fucking trade, guys. At the very least, I wanted us to come a bit higher. I just wanted us to come not even 2 points higher for me to get in short, but I guess this institution had other fucking plans. They definitely had other plans in mind. Did it take profits already? So I would have taken profits. Okay, this is a nice little short opportunity. But stop loss was way too high. Look at that. Come to the same sad spot that I had for the past freaking 30 minutes. All these bulls got trapped. Price keep going lower. Crazy shit. I wonder what caused. Yeah, I'm not sure if that was news or news being dropped exactly at the same fucking perfect technical moment, or what the fuck that was, but that was something. That was literally something. Should have had limit orders. Should have kept limit orders here. Like a sell stop limit order here. Or either ways, I don't think I would have gotten filled. And if I would have gotten filled, slippage would have been crazy. Because this dropped in seconds. Like, literally less than a second. Let me see. Look at the 1 second short. Pop. Yeah, look at this. Oh, 1 fucking second. Boom. 700 contracts opening that second. 1,000 contracts. 600. Crazy boyo. Yeah, I don't want to take a trade now, especially after looking at all that. Hell no. I'm gonna wait for 11. I'm gonna wait for 11 a.m. Remember how I was saying before that I've seen this price action in the 5 minutes so many times? Seen this price action in the 5 minutes so many times, and usually we do end up making a new high. Like here, we made a new high, and then we crashed down very bad. That is the crash down that I was talking about. Look at that. I was talking about that around like 10 a.m. and then an hour later, boom, it literally happened. It literally fucking happened. Experience in the market, guys. Experience in the market. And trauma. Bunch of trauma gets you to this level. Trauma is good. 30 seconds for this 1 hour candle to be close. If I'm gonna take a short, it's definitely gonna have to be up here. Swing high. Entry around here. Stop loss. This is gonna be a trade that I take with micros. Definitely. Most definitely. It's looking like a channel. So if I take this little sneaky trade, I'm looking for 50 points. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all, my friend. Not bad at all. So that's a 2.8 risk to reward ratio. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What a crazy fucking crash down. Sheesh. Sheesh, sheesh. Look at all of the bears that came in there. God damn. Yeah, I'm liking this short. As you can see here, both are losing momentum. They're losing a lot of momentum. Lot. Okay, come on, you can do it. It's a bit higher. Do it for me. Just do it for me. Don't do it for anybody, especially not this fucking institution. Do it for me. Come, just a little higher, please. Pretty, please. Come on, I said pretty, please. Just come higher. It's a bit higher. It's a bit higher so that I make a little bit more money. So that I can hopefully pass this freaking account this week. Or probably that's, who knows. Not liking this. Maybe these are just early shorts. They're just early shorts. Oh, come on, man. Oh, come on, man. Go a bit higher. Nope. Doesn't want to come any higher. I mean, this institution is just absorbing all of the lungs. Then they're just gonna remove all their market orders. Price is gonna move up, and then they were just gonna come and do the big twat, just like before. The big twat. We're one time framing to the upside, but losing momentum still. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Now I need to see shorts coming in. Now I need to see a bunch of freaking shorts coming in. Where my shorts at? Where my shorts at? Should we get into the short now? There's no shorts coming on. Literally 0 shorts actually. Now all of these bulls are getting absorbed. Do we make a new high? Maybe? Nope. Not at all. Want to have a stop limit order here. A sell stop limit. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la 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 la. I was definitely not expecting us to move that high. Still, this thing still has potential for us to reject. What shorts gotta come in though? So I'm not shorting this if I don't see any shorts. If I don't see any shorts alive, if I don't see any bears alive, I'm not shorting this shit. Now it's looking like he wants to crash. Shall we? Shall we, guys? Shall we do it? It's looking like it wants to crash. Oh, that's high volume. Okay, let's just put a little let's just enter. Buy stuff. Let's just enter. Ooh. Definitely don't like that. Not liking all of this. Getting rejected. Yeah, we're most likely going to lose this little trade. Unless we break down this low. Unless we do that. Stop losses 10 points away. That's not bad. That's like $100 stop loss. It's fair for us to move our stop loss here. Very fair. Need to see momentum to the downside, bro. I want to close this trade because I want to close it so bad because I'm not seeing momentum. Zero momentum. Come on. I'm liking this a little more now. Just a little tiny more. I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even, so I don't want to lose any money. Okay. Didn't lose any money, hopefully. Nope, no money lost. It's just taking too long to crash down. Slow grind back down. I don't like that. Plus all of this bears coming in here, they all got absorbed. Now we're doing the crashy crash. Now after you stopped me. Now is when we've seen some momentum, huh? You bastard. Oh! Maybe it's good that we close. Just maybe. Maybe it's so good that we close. Maybe it's pretty good that we closed. Huh. Sneaky. Sneaky price action for today, huh? Yep. I'm glad that we closed, guys. I'm glad that we freaking closed. We would have lost that trade. Now it's looking good for another short. Nope, I'm not gonna short this just yet. Yep, there it is. Gotta be careful with all the sneaky price action, guys. Gotta be very careful. Now it's looking nice. Now it's looking very nice. Should we short it? Shall we short it, guys? Fuck it. Now we're formed this double top. And I'm getting into the breakout. Stop loss is 9 points higher. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I see momentum to the downside though. All of these bears are getting absorbed. I might close this trade. So I don't like the fact that look how many bears got in here. Price didn't even move. We'll move my stop loss up here. My close. I was trying to close already. Yeah, bears are not wanting to push price back down. Still $100. Not bad, not bad, not bad. At this point, I'm expecting us to come higher. Probably like swing failure pattern this low high right here. So I've tried to short this a bunch of times already and none of them played out. We are definitely losing momentum though, so I'm expecting another crash. The question is, where is it going to crash? That is the tricky part. Finding the location where it's going to crash. None of that played out. I'm not liking this yet for a short. All these are C setups. It's looking like it's gonna crash, bro. Oh my god, this looks like it's just gonna crash big time. Big time. These bulls are losing momentum. Is it here? Is it this one? I want to see imbalances at the very least. I think there was a little bit of imbalance and a little bit of imbalance. Bro, this just looks like it wants to crash. Yeah, it looks like it wants to crash so bad. Like so bad. Fuck it. Didn't want to take any more trades, but fuck it, bro. That's unfortunate. Yeah. I'll lose this trade for sure. Yep, for sure, for sure. Ah, so unfortunate, so unfortunate. Negative 225. So unfortunate, man. It was a fair try, though. It was a very fair try. They're setting this up for failure, and then they just boop. Just like this. This loss of momentum. First, just doing this. Boom. It just looks like it wants to crash, right? We just need to break below this level, and then but no. Ah, sneaky bastards, huh? Sneaky bastards. We're most likely... Yeah, I highly doubt that we're gonna come to this high and take it. Highly doubt it. We're most likely now gonna find some sort of reason to come back down here. Because this is the spot where shorts are gonna come in. If they're gonna come in, this is the spot they're gonna come in. Now we're having a head and shoulders pattern.
It's too hard to breathe now. So cold, there's no source of heat. Locked out, I can't find the keys. Yeah, up close, but not far from me. Yeah.
Now we're doing the thing, huh? Now we're doing the thing. Where the fuck did it buy me? No way, bro. It bought me way too... Oh! Oh, hell yeah, I'm closing. Fuck yeah, dude. Oh, just like that. Just... Oh, my God. Oh, shit, I closed way too early. Oh, my God. We're back in business, baby. Back in business. Oh, my God. God damn. It did that thing? Bro, it did... No way, fill me down here, bro. I got filled down here. That's ass, bro. I literally enter my short right here, bro. I enter my short as soon as this candle closed. Immediately, I entered, and then it filled me all the way fucking down here. What the hell, bro? That's a 20-point difference. Holy shit. I'll take it, though. I'll fucking take it. Hey, look at that. Negative 12 bucks. We're back in business. Back in fucking business, guys. That was the short that I was looking for, man. I said it. If we're gonna drop, this is where we're gonna drop. If shorts are gonna come in, this is where shorts are gonna come in. And then, bah! I waited. I saw this candle. High volume. High momentum. Okay, let me just enter some shorts here. Boom. And then the most insane crash down I ever seen. Pow! Got in here. Got filled 20 points lower down where I entered. And then boom, I closed my trade. The rest is history. The rest is fucking history, man. Beauty fucking full. What a fucking day, bro. What a fucking day. So we swing failure. The highest. We swing failure. The bottom. This previous bottom. What a crazy day, bro. Let me see. Yeah, I don't want to buy this market, especially after seeing these two crash outs. Boom, crash. Boom, crash. I don't want to fucking buy this market at all whatsoever. This is a good short. Whoever shorted here, they probably like pressed the short by mistake. They're like, okay, they were probably saying, hey, just wait a little higher, and they're like, oh, fucking shorted it by mistake. Price crashed down to the fucking ground. This is the actual short that they wanted to get in, because that's where I wanted to get in. Yeah, you don't want to buy this fucking market. Look, it's already crashing. It's already fucking crashing. This was just a take profit area. Where the hell did I even take profit? I just saw my balance. I didn't even look at my fucking... I didn't even look at where price was heading to. I lost all sort of fucking trading mindset there. I just saw this humongous crash down, saw my P&L, took profits immediately. Okay, so I close here. Okay, where the hell did it fail me? Bro, that's so ass. Feel me around here. It's only got 25 points of that move. And it was supposed to be 40 points. Oh my god. This is why I hate trading view. This is why I fucking hate trading view. You get slippage. Slippage is crazy in trading view. You gotta fix this shit. You gotta fix their connectivity issues or something. I would have been up for the day if it wasn't because of this humongous slippage. It's alright, I guess. It's alright. Somehow we ended up the day up. I'll take this any fucking day. How many trades did I even take today? I don't even know. I probably took like 5-6 trades today and still ended the day at break even. Negative 12 bucks, that's break even in my books. So I'll take it. It's already 11:20. I don't plan on taking any more trades for today. I think I'm gonna just call it a day here actually. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. The live stream, this is my first live stream. Hope you guys learned something new. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see anything new. If you guys want to see me trade any other instrument, Nasdaq is my preferred instrument, but if you guys want to see me trading the ES or crude or whatever you guys want to see me trading, I'll do it for you guys. Like the video, and yeah, I hope you liked it. Peace out.